Hi, Sarah here with a journal page spread for you today. I'm using my paper, pen and plan sweet treat box. This one is the February box, and as well as that I'm just using a few enamel stickers by Doodlebug, which I've had in my stash for about 2 or 3 years at least, I think. So for this, for these pages, I'm doing my February creative journaling, and this is a couple of days where my little boy came home from school very excited that he had a special sticker for doing so well in school, and the next day was when I let him loose in the kitchen with me, and he did some cooking with me. So he was chopping up mushrooms with his child-friendly knife there. So for this spread I decided to footy cut out my pictures as usual, because I love to see more of that pattern paper in the background, especially if the background's just, you know, not very interesting. I mean, outdoor pictures more likely to leave the background in, but just around the house I quite like seeing that nice background. I think it looks a bit more quirky that way as well. So I just ripped apart some of the papers, and just as you saw there, just laid them up using my tape gun. Now I'm experimenting with the foil transfer stuff. I put down some glue from the glue pen I used. I think they're both from Sticks 2. It's a rolling ball 2-in-1 glue pen, and I just did some really scribbly rough circles that are kind of a bit like enamel dots, but more scruffier, scribblier, grungier, I guess. And I just wanted to see how that would turn out. It didn't turn out perfectly, but it goes with the spread, because I do a lot of just random painting, and there's torn papers on there, so it works for this. I think next time I will try using glue dots and then transferring over the top. I've not really used these foils before, you see, so I am just sort of experimenting and learning as I go. So if you do know different ways to use them, then do comment below if you've got some ideas for me. That'd be great. I'm just adding now pops of colour around my page. I will of course be journaling over most of this, but I used some Distress Oxides. I love using these. They don't bleed through my pages as much either as watercolour, because you don't need to add anything to it, so they're not getting wet, so they're not seeping through as much. I do, however, add a few splashes of water, and that is just so I can lift some of that colour, because they're really reactive with water if you don't know what they are. And when you use an ink blending tools to blend them on, and then you can add water and lift the colour back up, and you get those lovely bleached out splashes. Now I'm just doing a few little finishing touches where I've just got these foodie stickers that I knew I wanted to use upon this, because obviously there's a bit of a foodie page going on for my day 4. And as well as that, I'm just grabbing a few stickers that went from the sweet treat box. So I've added in that cute little flower, and also the days 3 and 4, which worked really well, obviously, because all the colours work together anyway. And now I'm just adding a bit of journaling about each day, just a couple of sentences, and then I add some of the sparkly pink Diamante dots from the kit as well, from the box as well. Just so there's that little bit of dimension on that page to match the dimension from the enamel dots on the other page, on the enamel characters, I should say. A final touch, I did add this love and one of the flowers to underneath my little boy, because he looked a little bit floaty. And then I do also add another die cut, which you'll see in the pictures, and I think that's about it. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to get hold of some goodies from Paper, Pen and Plan, I do have a discount code, which I'll leave below, because I am on the creative team. So I do get my box for free, just for, you know, transparency. And if you've only just found me and you would like to see more from me, then please do subscribe to my channel. Have a great evening, everyone. Bye.